Hey everyone, Joe Lentini here. The Big Beautiful Bill has some changes that affect taxpayers and dependents. Child Tax Credit. The Act increases the amount of the non-refundable child tax credit to $2,200 per child beginning in 2025 and indexes the credit amount for inflation. The Act also makes permanent the $1,400 refundable child tax credit adjusted for inflation. It, in addition, makes permanent the increased income phase-out threshold amounts of $200,000, $400,000 in the case of a joint return, as well as the $500 non-refundable credit for each dependent of the taxpayer other than a qualifying child. Adoption credit. The Act makes a portion, up to $5,000, of the Section 23 adoption credit refundable. That amount will be adjusted for inflation. Dependent care assistance programs, the maximum annual amount excludable from income under a Section 129 dependent care assistance program increases from $5,000 to $7,500 under the Act. This is the amount that an employer can contribute towards an employee's dependent care costs. Child and Dependent Care Credit. The Act permanently increases the amount of the child and dependent care tax credit from 35% to 50% of qualifying expenses. The credit rate phases down for taxpayers with adjusted gross income (AGI) over $15,000. It will be reduced by 1 percentage point but not below 35% for each $2,000 that the taxpayer's AGI exceeds $15,000. It will then be further reduced by, but not below 20%, 1 percentage point for each $2,000, $4,000 for joint returns, that their AGI exceeds $75,000, $150,000 for joint returns. Social Security number requirement. To claim these credits, the taxpayer, at least one parent on a joint return, and each qualifying child must have a valid SSN, which must be issued to a U.S. citizen or as specified under the Social Security Act and obtained before the tax return due date. As always, we're here to help you navigate these new rules and make the most of your tax situation. If you have questions or want to discuss your personal circumstances, please contact our office. We're committed to helping you thrive under the new tax law. If you'd like to schedule a tax planning phone appointment to discuss the impact on you and your family, our special summer rate of $75 for a 30-minute consultation, which is 50% off our regular rate if scheduled between now and September 15th. Then the rate through October increases to $125 for a 30-minute consultation, and finally the full-time rate of $150 will kick in after October. We're here to help you and would love to discuss how we can help you make the most of these new tax laws.